Welcome to the course Overview of LiDAR Data, System Variations, Data Interpretation and Applications. In this course, I'm going to give you an overview of LiDAR. LiDAR stands for Light Detection and Ranging, and it's a growing technology used in remote sensing because traditional photography did not get information about height variations. So LiDAR system is very useful for measuring, for example, the heights of the trees and getting information between the branches. This course is divided into 8 chapters. At first, we're going to talk about LiDAR systems, how they work, and different types of LiDAR. For example, what is a small footprint LiDAR system and what is a large footprint LiDAR system. Then we will talk about interpretation of the LiDAR data. What is a canopy high model, for example, digital elevation model, and how we can perform tree crown delineation because the LiDAR data, they have enough information to derive information about individual trees. So before we, for example, perform health assessment on the forest, we can first delineate the tree crowns and perform classifications of single trees. Then we'll talk about full-waveform LiDAR data, what they are and what's the difference between discrete and full-waveform LiDAR data, and how we can interpret them, and why they contain much more information comparing to traditional discrete points cloud. Then we'll talk about file formats, usually data stored into LAS file formats. And we'll also explain what data are stored into these files and how we can use this information to compute the positions of the targets. Then we give an overview of various available softwares that you may be able to use. This is an example of outputs from DASOS. And then we talk about various applications, for example, urban planning and forest health, and how LiDAR systems are used to tackle issues in these areas. And the last chapter will focus on other LiDAR applications and systems that they haven't been covered in earlier chapters.